guys, we're at Cradley Heath level crossing in West Midlands as well. I'm sure last time someone filmed here, this ball was not clipped onto this set of lights. Look at that. That is weird. There's a ball clipped onto this. And there's a twisted light, which I noticed on Joe's video, but I did not fit that ball. I don't think that ball has ever been there before. There's a bit of a blackout line just there. Ball's been nailed onto this set of lights. Very strange. I don't know what. So I'm a bit shaky. Try and hold it steady here. That is really weird, because the other set of lights does not have a board like this one has. Yeah, and yet that light's slightly twisted. I said this was a string, but it's actually called a cord for some reason. This one's got like Uniparts, rail label, a new alarm which is replaced that extremely loud one. You can see that black outline, just that black bit there. Board's been clipped onto this. That is rather rare to see. Very rare. That, I swear, that was never on here. That was never on this set of lights before. You can see bolts there. And the clip, it's like nailed a board onto this set of lights. Very rare. I've never seen anything like that in my life. But this set of lights doesn't have it. You see down the corner, there's no... Seven, two, three, 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 two, one, two, two, one. Stalker trains upwards on the front. Yeah, I'll just continue anyways. This site's got like a flash box and a patch. It's probably a new set of lights, I think. I said last time when I was up here though, one like that one didn't leave the floor. Both I basically meant, and this one didn't leave the floor. I'd say, let's just say they both don't leave the floor. There goes 172 333 221. And earlier on, before the crossing went off, someone was trespassing along that bit there. Walking along the anti-trespass guide. I think they need spiky anti-trespass guide. It probably would have been caught on CCTV. I did not bother recording it before the crossing went off, but yeah. So this is really rare. Oh my gosh. So that, you can see there's bolts there, these nails on this. It's a board being clipped onto this for some reason. A little bit of an indent there. I don't know what that's all about. Like this one does not have any nails on this set of lights at all, as there's no board clips onto this. Very rare. I don't know what that's all about. So that is really weird. The cord's starting to get a bit Flappy Bird. Yeah, this is Smith Industries, Hydraulics Company, Barrier Lifters. And that yodel alarm used to have a huge yodel alarm box. So both used to have a huge yodel alarm box. But then that one got replaced last year. And that one stayed. And this one has been replaced recently. And we've got 172 341 to Dorridge. Two, three, four, one to Dorridge, and